Clap it up, clap it up, clap it up! That's our senior skit night, obviously. If you don't know me, I'm Brayden Hamilton, band captain, tuba section leader, etc. Yeah, I don't know. Does anybody know what time it is? 8:34. I'm actually kind of tired. I might need to go to sleep. But like, does anybody scroll on social media before they go to sleep? Alright, good. I mean, it's just tiring. Honestly, social media is kind of broken nowadays, so there's like only really YouTube to go on. So I mean, it's not a lot. Oh shoot, there's a Darman video. Let's click on this Darman video.
Hey Darman fam! In this first video we see how a drum major sets the tempo too fast. What happens next will shock. Initiation.
Yes! Sam, can I touch you?
Shoulder.
Yes, Sam is one of the best marchers in this program. He has something to fix, so do you.
Not to use it. This next video shows a student who does not go to standby. Not in standby? Okay, everyone relax. Come in. I need you to do this. of losers do not graduate from the fighting school. And guess what someone who doesn't go to standby is? That's right, a loser. So you see, standby is more than just looks. It's a way of living. Our next video shows the importance of posture. The ending is shocking.
Okay, man, since Cicero's not here yet, let's get those juices pumping. John, your place. Okay. We are now going to do our plank exercises. Everybody wants our plank exercises. Let's get into position.
posture is more than just looks. Never judge a book by its cover. These automatic videos show hexagonal marching is not all fun and games. You must be conscientious to the highest possible level. It's just business.